Hey friends, it's Diana here today, and I am so excited to come to you all today to announce our November winner of our Fun Fan giveaway. If you can see my calendar, ignore it because it still says October 2018. This is 2019 and it's the beginning of December. So yes, it's been up there a while and it hasn't moved. I'm not very good with calendars. Are you? I don't know. I think about it and I need to do it and it just stays there. Now it's like a comical joke. If you see it behind on my videos, every once in a while I move it, I change it, but it's still a year old. So I don't even know why I have it up there. But anyway, rabbit trail. I am here to announce our fun fan giveaway winner for the month of November. Ooh, can you believe November is over? It's time for December, a wintry, magical month. Do you all have snow happening? Is it hot where you're at? It is hot and cold here. One day is hot, one day is cold. You never know what you're gonna get. So yeah, it's fun. But anyway, all right. So again, I'm here to announce our winner, and I will get to that right now. Our winner for our month of November is Jan Callahan. Jan Callahan, you're our $50 Ellie Mac gift certificate winner for the month of November. I will go ahead and tag you below in the info, and I will also comment under one of your comments letting you know that you are a winner. Please contact me. My email address is below, and we will get that gift certificate out to you so you can get to shopping. You know, you want to get some fabric. Well, it's for patterns. You know, you want to get some patterns so you can sew along with me, and then come over to Facebook or Instagram and show us your make. Anyway, I hope you have a great rest of your day. I hope you're having a great week. I hope you have a great rest of this new month of December, and I'll see you next on the end of December to pick out another winner. I hope you have I just said that. Have a great rest of your day, and I'll see you all next time. Bye.